Hi guys, today we are doing taste testing capri-sun at 3 a.m. part 3. I know guys, coincidence, 3. But today we have orange capri-sun. I got it ready so I don't struggle. We got orange peach capri-sun. We got multivitamin and mango passion fruit. Let's start with the orange one. Very good, I like it. It is very orange juicy. To taste very good orange juice. Let the train pass. Okay, the train has passed. Sorry about that. This is very solid option. Then we got orange peach capri-sun. I'm very excited for this one because I like oranges and I like peaches. If you know what I mean, wink wink. This is very good option. This is very good. I am pretty confident about my opinion already. Now, multivitamin capri-sun. I think we have tasted this one before, but in this small container. Yes, it is a normal capri-sun, but very solid. It is a bit chilly outside because I am in Norway right now. Yes, Norway. Yes, it is a lot chillier. It is not plus 25 degrees Celsius during the day. It's plus 14 degrees Celsius. This is awesome. Very good. Very good. Now, awesome. My ranking. I think this is the best one. No doubt, best one. Number 2, I say is passion. It is amazing. It is like mango juice with passion fruit, and it is amazing flavor. Then I say orange juice because I just like orange juice. It is very good. The 4th place, of course, is multivitamin, but this is solid. All of these are S tier because capri-sun cannot make a bad product. But this is just average. This is the default. Every juice should be at least like this, because well, all of these are S tier. Amazing. It is capri-sun. Oh my god guys, I was getting ready to put all of this shit down and I'll go inside when I realized, oh my god, there is a demon. Oh my god guys, it's a whole fucking demon. I am so scared. Let's run away. Oh, it is demon hand. Oh my god guys. Oh my god. It is so scary. Let's hide behind this house. I'm so deathly afraid. Where the fuck is the demon? I don't know. I'm so afraid. I'm so afraid guys. I've been hiding behind this house for a while. Oh my god. I hear it. I hear it. Guys, I'm so afraid. Oh my god. I see the demon. I see the demon. Guys, I'm so afraid. Oh my god, guys, help me. Help me. I cannot do this, guys. I cannot do this. I cannot survive. Help me. Oh my god, guys. I escaped the demon. I juked him. It was so incredibly hard and scary, guys. I'm going home. Okay, guys, I made it safe inside. I just saw the camera footage of me recording myself sleep, and oh my god, the demon, it was behind me. I'm hiding in my room. I'm so scared. Help me. Help me, guys.
I do not know when it will come. I'm afraid of it coming. That's what she said.